covered parts of the United States Rockies and Western Plains with heavy snow on Sunday, shutting down Denver's busy airport and closing major highways in the region. The slow-moving system could produce the biggest snowfall in decades for the eastern Rockies and Western Plains before it moves east. Authorities have issued blizzard warnings for eastern Wyoming, eastern Nebraska and southwestern South Dakota. Meanwhile, the National Weather Services Office have also ordered a stay-at-home warning for residents of Cheyenne in Wyoming. Cheyenne witnessed a record snowfall of over 25 inches this weekend, smashing a previous two-day record held since 1979. Meanwhile, over 30,000 residents were without power in Colorado on Sunday due to power outage. Xcel Energy's electric outage map showed 351 outages, affecting more than 30,000 customers in northern Colorado counties, including Denver metro area. Interstates were also shut around Wyoming and Colorado region to limit travel.